Alright bro, we doing a little POV night drive, me and Aldin, the T-Spec and the Supra, and we got Michaela and Aldin's girlfriend Camry. Get a little walk around. Nice clean this thing, we got a meet today, just cleaned it up, except for the wheels. The wheels are dirty as fuck. Alright bro, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's roll. Is she mic'd up too?
No, if I put her mic on and she's right next to me, it's gonna like overpower each other.
Thank you. This dude's just a professional yapper. I can't yap for 30 minutes. Can't wait to put my tires on tomorrow. And I need to order some oil. I need an oil change soon. And I still need to buy beamer coat. I keep saying I'm gonna buy it. Well, I was gonna buy it, but I bought the tires instead. Look at that sneaky cop. Sneaky, sneaky cop. Loki might not talk that much, just try and get like the sounds. That's what he needs to do. That thing sounds crazy. Let me take it off real quick. Grab the wheel real quick. Right here. Ooh. I can't wait to code that shit out. Huh?
My toes.
Hey, don't show those. Not for free, but for $5.99 a month. Shit. Here's a Cybertruck. I think that was black. That was a black one. Damn, I want to downshift so bad. What's up, man?
That's fucking crazy. Have you been yapping?
Nah.
What do you mean no?
No, I don't be yapping.
You gotta yap.
I didn't yap in my last one.
Start yapping, bro. Talk about like, I don't fucking know what you're gonna do to the car.
I've already yapped.
Even if you already did, talk about that shit.
I've yapped about that, I think, in all 12 videos.
Talk about the lighting shit again. Bro. Just do it.
Sounded like a gunshot.
Oh, it's only closed right there, I think. He yelled! He yelled! He said, oh!
He said, oh! What is this dude doing?
Looking at the green light, apparently.
Yeah, he don't know what he's doing. Bro, that dude, I popped and that dude screamed. He's like, oh! I'm trying to make so much noise up this whole street. This is menacing. Get this tunnel. Get this tunnel. I'll stay back. I'll stay back. Dude, it sounds like a, I don't even know. Ray's probably in there yapping about the lighting. He said, my light shipped out today. I want to go do some like burnouts or some shit and just ruin. Of course.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, what is even in there? I gotta be careful. My tires are non-existent. I literally am not even on tires. Oh, bro, that was so funny. There's some shots right next to him. That thing clean as hell.
I feel like eggs.
Yeah, some sting.
Oh.
My car probably blew up. I just want to grab the booty. Just want to grab that big ass booty.
I don't fucking know, bro. Let's see if we got any cool, like nice little. He's gonna fucking talk shit while he edits. Dude.
I know.
Bro's like, you were stuttering. No fucking shit, dude. Check me, I got you, bro. Let me take a sip of my drink.
Oh. Don't have a drink, man. I'm cooked.
Dude, when I start
Yeah,
talking, I can't shut the fuck up.
Yeah, because some dude in Discord last time was talking about, Aldin was like yapping for 30 minutes and he was like, bro, I know that breath hot as hell. You're gonna take one sip of water that whole time.
That's what mine's for.
What? Alright. Bro, he's so lucky I don't have tires right now. We should have went to that gas station right there.
That's what I fucking said.
Yo, let's go.
Sonic?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. My fucking head hurts, but I'm cool with it.
Yeah, that thing sounds crazy. Damn. There's launch control right into him. He's going all the way to the end. Oh, we're low-key not that close to each other. Damn! Oh,
I shut mine off. I started smelling it.
You...
Like, what the fuck? And I'm like, dude, I keep smelling plastic.
It's a nighttime cruise. Dude, that turbo sound crazy. Next, I need to do that boot mod video, or not boot mod, Beamer code. I think tomorrow we're gonna go, you'll probably be there too, I think we're gonna go record the like drifting and donuts just to finish off these rear tires. He'll probably be doing most of the drifting though, I'm not gonna lie. I think he's, yep, he's out of here. That was sad.